Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am showing you a Pinterest hack. This is some earrings that are from pieceimages.com. I found this on Pinterest, and this face has been haunting me because this face is done in brass, and these earrings cost $49. However, I'm going to show you how I did something similar using this Coke can. You cut the can and you straighten it out. I sprayed it with this gold paint. Then I pull out my Sizzix die cutter, and I chose a round die because I want to use that a round die for my face. So I'm just going to cut it out, and then I'll show you how I put the design on the face. People have been asking me if the edges are sharp, and I want you to see the little rounded edges. The way that my dies cut, they kind of turn the edge under, so it's not sharp at all. If there were some pointy edges, I feel like it might be sharper, but these edges on these round die cuts are not sharp at all. So this is the face that I'm trying to get. So I'm going to take my stylus and draw it on the back of my aluminum earring. So I just take the sharp end of the stylus and I just draw. I'm pressing really hard because I need to make sure that my indentation goes through. And it's a really simple design, so I'm just kind of mimicking the design that I saw on the little face. And here we are. I need to see if I could indent it a little bit more to make the impressions deeper. But that's basically it. Just take a stylus and draw. Of course, I had to do my own design, so I got some cowrie shells. I bought these cowrie shells at Michael's. They were in a little pack in the children's design section, and they were pastel colors, but I spray painted them gold so they would match my little face. If you like these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up, a like or something. YouTube really likes when you interact. If you don't interact, then they don't send my videos out. So I would sure appreciate it. And I appreciate everyone who makes comments and who watches and who subscribes. So let me know what you think about these. I like them and they're really easy to do. Starting with a Coke can, my goodness, how close to free can you get? I have some ideas about doing some other designs on these since making the designs is so easy. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe, hype, all the things. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherikao Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We're going to start back with our Tuesday Live, so be on the lookout for those announcements. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.